Hello and welcome to this lesson on working with combined probabilities. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to first identify when events are combined using the word and or the word or. Second, understand the rules for multiplying probabilities and adding probabilities. And finally, apply combined probability rules to solve exam-style problems. Let's get started. Combined probabilities look at situations where more than one event happens. These events may happen one after another. In this lesson, we are working with independent events. That means one event does not change the probability of the next. There are two key rules you must remember. If the question says and, we multiply. If it says or, we add. Now let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. A bag contains 5 green counters and 7 yellow counters. Each counter is put back before the next one is chosen. First, we find the total number of counters. 5 plus 7 gives 12. Now, we work out the probability that both counters are yellow. This is the probability of yellow and yellow, so we use the AND rule. The probability of yellow is 7 out of 12, so we multiply 7 over 12 by 7 over 12. It gives 49 over 1 and 44. So the probability that both counters are yellow is 49 over 144. Now let's have another example. You can pause the video and try yourself. Work out the probability that the two counters are different colors. This can happen in two ways, green and yellow, or yellow and green. We use the AND rule for each case. We then add the probabilities. This fraction simplifies to 35 over 72. So the probability that the two counters are different colors is 35 over 72. And that's it. Here's the final tips. Combined probabilities follow clear rules, and if you spot the words and or, you'll know exactly what to do.